The Credit One Bank American Express card is built for those needing to build or rebuild their credit while earning a small amount of rewards. It offers unlimited 1% cash back on every purchase, credited automatically to the account. The card comes with a $39 annual fee and a steep 29.49% variable APR, making it important to pay in full each month to avoid interest charges. Applicants with average credit can qualify without a security deposit, making it more accessible than many prime cards. Being part of the American Express network also gives access to Amex Offers, which can deliver extra discounts or statement credits from participating merchants. The positive side, the flat 1% cashback is simple and requires no category tracking. Amex Offers can provide real savings if used strategically, sometimes enough to offset the annual fee. The card also includes protection benefits like zero fraud liability and purchase protections, plus tools like free credit score access and the ability to set a custom payment due date. It is straightforward to use as a stepping stone for those working toward better credit. On the downside, the $39 annual fee is relatively high for a low 1% reward rate. You need to spend $3,900 annually just to break even, without earning any actual profit in rewards. The APR of 29.49% is extremely high, meaning carrying a balance even once can quickly wipe out any value. There is also the fact that many other cards, even for average credit, offer no annual fee and better cash back rates, making this option less competitive for those who qualify elsewhere. In short, this card can work for someone with limited options who plans to use it carefully, keep balances low, and pay in full. Used for less than a year, it can help improve credit enough to move on to something better. The risk, however, is that the high APR and small rewards make it expensive if handled poorly, so discipline is key.